Hey, what's up guys? JP here. Welcome back to my channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Today we are gonna fire up the Lone Star Grill. We're gonna make some sexy chicken. So you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna show you what this sexy chicken comes out like doing it JP style. Check it out. First thing we gotta do is get these chickens spatchcocked. Got me a nice little chicken here that I got over at my my butcher store. And the way I like doing it, spatchcocking means we're just gonna take the rib cage right out of this thing, not the rib cage, the spine, I'm sorry, and get it completely out. So I just usually just run right down the back of it, work your knife all the way through it. Some people like using shears, and that's fine. If you want to use shears, you can use, you can use shears if that works better for you. But I like using my knife. Get this other side. And we'll have this chicken spatchcocked pretty easy, and we'll be ready to start seasoning it. There we go. Right on out. Spatchcock, all we gotta do now is, once we take the spine out, clean it up a little bit, get these little livers and gizzards out of here, and take your knife, and what you want to do is right down the chest bone, just kind of split it a little bit, and take your hand and just go right down on it, and there we go. We got us one chicken spatchcocked, and she's ready to get seasoned up. Got a little bit of olive oil. Put a little bit of olive oil on the skin, get some on the back side, and we'll be ready to start seasoning this chicken. We're gonna be using our sexy chicken. It's a really good rub for this chicken. There we go. Get it all on the wings, in between the legs, on the thighs. Give it a little flip, and hit it on the inside. That's all it takes, guys. You want to make some sexy chicken? A little bit of olive oil. Use your sexy chicken rub. A little bit more, and we'll be ready to go. And that's what our sexy chicken looks like, guys. We'll get these wings tucked in the back here before we get ready to put it in our Lone Star Grill. And we'll get that sucker fired up, and I'll show you how this chicken comes out. You guys stay tuned. nice and tender. Let's see what it's all about. Oh yeah. Can't go wrong with the sexy chicken. You know, it tastes really good. Look at that, how tender it came out. I mean, it is just tender and juicy. So, turned out really good. Let me get me another little bite. That was good. This chicken came out fantastic. Do me a favor. You see the little subscribe button over there? Go ahead and click on that button. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that bell also. That'll get you future notifications of upcoming videos. If you're interested in any of the products that I'm using, down in the description there'll be a link to the website where I have these products. Feel free to visit it at any time. Besides that, guys, I appreciate you guys very much, and I will see you on the next cookout. Take care.